Welcome one, welcome all. I hope you're doing amazing. In this video, I'll be reviewing what might be the obvious, but it has never been put on YouTube, or at least to the best of my knowledge, essential moving tips, which are going to save you time and money. Make sure you stick around to the end. You don't want to miss any of this informative information. Moving into a new home can be exciting. Moving out of your current property, many memories and plenty of work, perhaps a sore back or achy muscle. Please use this video to make your move a little easier. That's what these videos are all about, helping you. Many don't think about the moving process. That's what I'm here for. By the way, my name is Shawn Rogers, the lead of the Mr. Rogers Homes real estate team, and we make videos just like this one. Here comes helpful tip number 1. Make a checklist and timeline. Actually, 2 tips in one. You're welcome. All you have to do to thank me is click that subscribe button. Create a to-do list of necessary moving tasks, such as getting your packing supplies and scheduling the utilities to be turned on at your new home, as well as when to be turned off at your current residence. You need to specify when each task should be completed. Date and time, in other words. Stick to that schedule. You'll be happy you did. This next moving tip is mucho important. Take inventory. You need to note what to keep, what to donate, and what to toss. This is a perfect time for you to narrow down what is definitely coming with you and what you just don't need. Place what you want to bring with you in a carefully labeled box or boxes, and find a new home for what you don't want. You're going to thank me later. I know we want to save every nickel, but sometimes we're just not skilled at the services we need. Number 4, consider hiring a mover. If you need assistance, get estimates from a couple different moving companies. Then compare their services and fees. Select one. If you think that you can do it yourself with a couple of friends, buy them pizza, wings, and their most favorite fluid refreshments, go for it. But many times, hiring a professional will save you time and money, and your personal belongings will be safe and sound, properly packaged and delivered. Before I forget, yep, here comes the plug. If you're thinking about buying, selling, renting, relocating, wondering what your current Arizona house is worth, I have the perfect one-stop solution. Here it is. You see that QR code on the screen? Take a picture of it. Download our new mobile app. It's amazing. First off, unlike most third-party real estate sites, our inventory is current and accurate. Second, we don't sell or share any of your personal information. Third, nobody is going to bother you. If you want to talk, all you have to do is click the chat button, and there we are. There you go. The easiest and quickest way to make the best moves. If you have any questions, reach out to me. I'd be more than happy to help with any of your Valley of the Sun real estate needs. Last, but certainly not least, keep at the ready any must-haves. Put items you may need on moving day in a safe and separate place for easy access. These items may include a pair of scissors for opening boxes, your cell phone chargers, your medication, a small amount of cash, maybe your favorite candy, a first aid kit, cleaning supplies, and, believe it or not, a change of clothes. Maybe even clean bedding. You never know what happens on the road, no matter what the distance. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you check out this video. I'll see you over there. Take care. God bless America. I'll talk to you soon.